Hi friends, my name is Bharat. Let's see how we are going to connect the temperature sensor and display the temperature value in the LED. These are the basic components required here: a Arduino board, a LED screen, a breadboard, a temperature sensor, a resistor, a potentiometer, and a conducting wires. This is how the circuit is connected. Let's see how the circuit is connected. The ground of the LED is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. The power supply of the LED is connected to the breadboard. The contrast of the LED is also connected to the breadboard. The register select of the LED is also connected to a breadboard. The read or write uh, is left blank. The DBO of the LED is connected to a 11th port in the Arduino board. The 11th port in the Arduino board. The DB1 is left free, the DB2 is left free, DB3 is also left free. The DB4 is connected to the fifth port in the Arduino board. The DB6 is connected to the fourth port, the DB7 is connected to the third port, and the DB8 is connected to the second port. The LED is connected to the power supply in the breadboard. The LED cathode is left free. This is how the connections are made. The temperature sensor, the ground of the temperature sensor is connected to the breadboard. The power of the temperature sensor is also connected to a breadboard. The out of the temperature sensor is connected to the A1 analog port in the Arduino board. Is connected to the A1 analog port in the Arduino board. Now let's see the potentiometer. The whipper of the potentiometer is connected to the analog in the Arduino board. The terminal 2 is connected to the breadboard, and the terminal 1 is also connected to the breadboard. The resistor is connected to the breadboard, connected to the temperature sensor. This is how the connections is made. Let's see how this circuit works. With this code, you can run the following circuit. Let's start the simulation. You can see the simulation working here. Let's increase the temperature. Now let's decrease the temperature. You can see the values displayed in a LED screen. This is how a LED screen is connected to a temperature sensor. Thank you.